Hello, this is another video of the cat match, and my mom will sometimes be speaking in this video, so yes, let's get started. Okay, so I am playing Slime Rancher. I have played this game before. Hopefully it puts me on my thing. That thing up in the corner where my mouse is, that I have that slime, this one, and this one. This is the pink slime, Tabby, and Philosopher, if you didn't know. Okay, just here I am. These guys are happy, and you kitty cats are hungry. So who wants a rooster? You want some? I just got an achievement randomly. Now you are hot. You are all happy. Now I will go. Now I will go out and scavenge some food. Oh yes, give me blocks first. If slimes don't eat in the wild or in your ranch, they will turn into tars. So what I do is I leave some food for the wild slimes, but right now I need all the fruit I can get. But that pink slime had something, so. I'm just gonna go to bed after this. Just gonna feed my philosophers, cause here's a fruit. Fruitsies. Don't you want that? Yeah. Here's 2. Here's 1, and here's 1. Who wants this one? I guess it's you. You. Oh, wrong slot. Guess you. Oh yeah, come on. Fine. Yes, guess whoever gets the treat. Oh. Thank you. Good, chicken still in the farm. Tabby's happy. What the? Oh, so there's 2. Oh. That was not for you, but I guess that works. Sorry. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, I'll put this hen in there. Hopefully you're not too angry by sunrise. Just gonna put. Oh. Sleep until morning. Okay. It's the day to scavenge. Okay, today's the scavenging day. I probably already said that. Oh. You're angry, so I'm just gonna make sure you're not near my ranch. I'll leave you. You know what? Whatever. That's fine. Okay. Oh, perfect. Chicken. You can eat the chicken. I'll take a little chickies. I'll take chicks. Okay. Now I'm gonna go return to my farm. Bless you. My mom coughed, so yeah. She will sometimes be talking in this video, so here you take some. Mom.
Hi everyone, it's Gramps Mom. I'm streaming now. Gramps needs automatic things.
These things are auto feeders. Say like, you see this little grumpy guy? Well, yeah, he'll there's a fine. I'll just give you this guy. Chow down on that. That's what I thought. Now, if any of these slimes eat this this plort, then they will. Well, if they're a different type and they eat this plort, then they will turn mixed. And those auto feeders will feed your animals over time. But note to self, I figured out that they do not work at nighttime, because pretty sure the game thinks that you should be in bed, which is true. And if you were wondering that I was gonna upload a different video earlier, well, it is a game called Where's My Hammer, where I had a hammer and I smashed stuff, but the video didn't really work because the quality was trash. Like, up in the trash bin. Literally should be in the trash bin. Oh my gosh. Yes, this is perfect timing. Yes. It's a golden slime. No, I should have fed him something. There's two different slimes. There's the lucky cat slime, and then there's the yeah, I'll just trade you this. Now ow! That hurt me. Bam! Low. Come on. Break for me! No. I just have to bring it home the old-fashioned way. If you disappear, I will be mad at you. Oh, what just happened? How do I get off this? On my screen, for a second, if you didn't see it, but I accidentally opened a menu. You didn't see anything. Hopefully you didn't see any personal information. If you did, please log off this video and never come back. Just joking. My mom is even laughing at this joke. Three little chickadoes. I meant 2 little chickadoes. Then I will put you guys in there. Oh no, you're hungry. You're Hungary. Hungary. Quickly. Go. What is this? This is trash. Yes, I will take this. Give me vegetables! Veggie tables! Veggie tables! Have a few. The party Gordo or the thing that I just picked up, that's what it's called.
Graham, what did you do with the ornaments?
Oh, well, I just put them on my trees or bushes. Right over there, if you see where I'm sucking up. I'm not actually sucking up or anything. Okay. Here's some veggie tables. Don't you? Oh no, you're right. You eat fruit. You guys eat fruit, not vegetables. I'll be right back with some fruits. 2. You know what? This is not working. Are you perfectly good chicken? Hey. Okay. Hey, calm down. I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. I should have kept those berries. You can keep that. There. Ow. Stop it. Move it. Ow. Stop bashing me. Oh, you can have that one. That's mine. Oh, and you little chickadoo, you're mine. No. Finally, now come back from that berry. Oops, I just put the caps lock on. Let's go. Hey, don't move. Take that.
What do you do if you do see a tar?
Well, I don't have the water cannon yet, so I just chuck them in the lake. That lake right over there. Oh, I forgot about this area. Yeah, there's like this big chubby pink slime. Since I watch videos and just know that there's a big chubby pink slime over here. So that's why I fed him a bunch of fruits and everything, because pink slimes eat everything. But now I have some fruities to feed my animals. I meant slimes. There's some more berries up there. Berry. I would very much like some berries. Hey, no, that's my berry. Ow! Stop it. You are so... Oh, no, thank you. I'm out. Quickly! My guys are gonna die! I'm gonna take my socks off. Last time I was trying to film a video, I had this tingly feeling on my feet. Felt really... No, come on. Here you go. You're the starving one. And okay, let me see for a second. You know what? I'm just gonna go around, hit this button. The auto feeder. Dang it, I don't have enough cash. Need 500.
How do you get cash?
Well, by selling plorts, by getting slimes. This is my new ornament, and it will go right here.
Looks nice.
Oh, you're glitched in. And then this one will go there. This one there, this one there. And this party Gordo ornament will go right there.
Looks nice.
And if you ever fall or die in this game, it will pass a couple minutes, causing your slimes to get angry. A lot of the times I didn't know how to get out of a certain place, so I killed myself. And if you're wondering why I'm not collecting all these other slimes, it's because I'm gonna start low. Then I'm gonna work higher and higher till I'm pretty good. And also another way, a good way to get quartz is by literally just taking them from the wild. So I'm just gonna vacuum up some quartz. Huh. Well, this one is the least cash, but the blue one, the... Yay, no! What? Thank you. And if you're wondering what's in that cave, once you feed one of those big blobby guys enough food, they will explode and give you a key. They will also turn into little pink slimes or the other types. Once I've turned around, and you know what I found? I found a big chubby rock one, philosopher, cat, and I'm pretty sure, wait, did I find a big tar? I'm not sure. For the two new guys, I will give you some fruits. Fruitsies. Fruitsies. Oh, sorry. Fine. Here you guys go. Enjoy. Buck. Buck. No. Buck. Do. And do. Oh, that. Let me vacuum up my tapping plorts.
Where do you sell those?
Oh. Okay. Let me show you. Right here. So I'm going to do this. That was fast.
It was.
My feet are tingly. I should probably move them off the carpet, because when I wipe them against the carpet, it feels like my feet are just like... I'm gonna go over to Chicken Central, which the reason why I call it Chicken Central is because there's like a ton, and I mean like a ton of them. Huh. What is this? A fire ornament? Oh yeah, I remember this thing. I don't. No, actually, I don't. Oh, when I cracked one of the crates, I got an ornament, but I probably didn't see this one. This is Chicken Central, where a ton of chickens are. This is also where the most tars are. Like because there's so many different types of guys. Yeah. I'm only gonna take one more philosopher. I should probably get out of here because this is where the most of the tars are. Because there's 3 different types. I just turned off my volume. There's 4 different types. I meant 3. Thank you for correcting me, pink rock slime. Because if they eat 2 plort, oh my gosh! Oh, flip it, flippies! Get out of here! Get off! Get out of my life! I'm not sure. No. They're getting bigger. Get out. That guy's dealt with. Yep, and they're spreading fast. Ow. Chuck. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving to get a water cannon.
And what does that do?
So then I can spray down these enemies. I turned my volume off again. And when I spray them, they hate water. Because they're made of tar, which is oil stuff.
Well, that's good to know.
My foot is numb. Literally, I'm not joking. My foot is numb right now. Yeah? Yeah. So, this is probably gonna be the end of my video. Yeah, so... Wait. Yeah, I'm probably gonna end my video. I will make another video on this. Oh my gosh, my foot's numb. So I'm just going to see you later and
Bye, everyone.
bye!